guys, and welcome back. Today I am spending the day getting my house in order. It is a complete disaster. There's just so many toys everywhere. I've been busy working and it just happens. Like, I'm doing the dishes, my child's playing and happy. We are picking up, I mean, believe it or not, we're picking up as we go. I'm doing some laundry, folding laundry, just getting our lives in order today. So that's what's on the agenda. And then I have to finish wrapping a couple of presents. Yeah? What do you think, kid?
Hello!
Don't yell. Say hello.
No, I said a woo.
Oh.
Hello, you guys. I had a woo. It's just I had a woo.
Yeah, there's the culprit.
Shining like no other. Ooh, I don't want what's wrapped in paper. No, I don't long for gifts of gold, but I'll be home for you. Oh, I'll be home for you.
Sydney's doing her favorite thing right now. She's painting with watercolors. I was able to do the floors, clean the coffee table, pick them up mostly, and now I'm gonna tackle folding this laundry, and I am working on dusting as well, here and there. And then I think we're gonna go outside because Sydney needs to get some energy out and fresh air. Something I've been really trying to work on is, you know, just balance. And sometimes my house gets away from me and I'm so exhausted at the end of the night, or I just prioritize work and filming instead of picking up. And yes, it gives me anxiety, but I'm sharing this with you guys to let you know, like, it's okay. It's okay. It happens. It gets away from us. Sometimes my house looks awesome and it's so picked up. Aw, and then sometimes my house is an absolute pigsty. Like, you know how I've been talking about having allergies for the last couple of years? It's because it's so new to me. I've never had allergies before. Really, like, the past couple of years is when it really flared up. I think that I am allergic to dust mites, and I really think that I am. I think that by the springtime, if I don't have it managed or under control, I might go get an allergy panel done, but it's not, I don't know, like, we'll see. I'm not like miserable every day. I do take a Zyrtec most days. I noticed that it really flares up for me after I clean. Like, if I do a day of cleaning and dusting and whatnot, the next day, I'm like, get that, you know, like that throat, the nose, the like pressure, sinus headache. So yeah, I really think I'm allergic to dust mites. So that just means it's like one of those things, I feel like once you finally kind of figure out what you're allergic to, you can kind of figure out what works for you. So an air purifier, and then I'm gonna constantly dust and make sure that I really keep my house dust free, and then wash my bedding a lot. I might have to get one of those allergy like things for my bed, but I think that now that I've kind of pinpointed, I think, what I might be allergic to. No wonder why I have year-round allergies, especially in the winter being stuck inside, and like the day after I clean, because I'm stirring up all the dust, it's even worse. So anyway, I feel like once you figure out what you're allergic to, you can kind of get it under control. Anywho, so that's what I'm gonna do. I am dusting. I'm gonna make sure that I dust even more frequently. And then I did take a Zyrtec because I know tomorrow, since I am dusting today, I know tomorrow is probably gonna be rough for me. So that's what I'm doing, just focusing on dusting like more than average, more than normal, not letting my house get too dusty. I'm gonna fold this laundry and then we're gonna try to get some fresh air outside.
I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. Following the stars that lead me straight to you, And though this long December night, only you can pull me through. Nothing wrong with cheers and carols. Oh, nothing wrong with sleigh bells in the snow.
It's a snow day today. Oh, you guys look. Can you see? That is where the snowdrift goes. All the way up. It's about to my waist. If you can probably not tell, but yeah, it's about up to my waist. Look at it. Look at it. Currently in my bathrobe, the same shirt that I wore yesterday, wore it to bed, and it is 3 p.m. right now. I look like I'm not being productive and lazy, but honestly, it's a snow day, as you just saw, and busted my butt shoveling the snow. If you guys are from New England or anywhere where it snows, for that matter, you know how much hard work is involved in shoveling. I think I'm gonna be sore for a week. Anywho, we played outside. Sydney had a ball playing in all of the snow that we are getting dumped on right now in a blizzard. And then I, of course, you know, adult life, had to shovel all the paths and whatnot. That's okay. Here we are. White Christmas is so magical, honestly. Anyway, I thought it would be a good day to make the Muddy Buddies. You know, the Chex Mix, the chocolatey peanut butter powdered sugar deliciousness. So I thought we would make some Muddy Buddies right now. Yeah, Sydney's currently stealing some white chocolate chips out of the cupboard.
Because it's yummy. I just decided to not have I just don't chocolate ones because chocolate makes me tired.
Chocolate makes you tired?
But white doesn't make me tired.
But white chocolate doesn't make you tired. Hey, that's enough. What did you think of this? Wait, what did you think of the snow outside? Was that fun? You didn't have fun outside. What was your favorite part?
Nothing.
So Muddy Buddies, puppy chow, what do you guys call it? Have you ever had it? It's so delicious, and I always attribute it to a holiday seasonal snack. So the recipe is right on the Chex Mix box, and I'm sure you can find it anywhere online. 1/4 cup butter, 1 cup chocolate chips. You can use semi-sweet is, I think, what they call for in the recipe. I only had milk chocolate on hand, so I used that. And then I think it was like a 1/2 cup peanut butter. Something like that. I'm trying to remember. Pop that into a bowl, pop it into the microwave, and stir it as you go and until everything's all melted together. Pour that over 9 cups of Chex Mix cereal. I did use the rice Chex Mix. I'm not sure if it matters what kind of Chex Mix like cereal that you use. And then you mix that all together, and then you pour 1.5 to 2 cups worth of powdered sugar over top. You can put this into a bag and shake, shake, shake. I didn't have a big bag, so I just stirred and it did a fine job. But these were so yummy. You can pop some M&Ms, peanuts, all kinds of fixings in them. And then I spread them out on a cookie sheet just so that I could make sure everything was nice and coated and dried.
But I'll be home for you. Oh, I'll be home for you.
He's gonna play with some Play-Doh and I have some editing to do, so I figured I would set her up over here. We just had some Muddy Buddies and they were delicious. And I am gonna get to editing. What you making?
I'm making a dinosaur soprano.
Come joining us all, the feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go, caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now.
Want you to see how beautiful it is. Oh no. Oh no, all my hard work. How beautiful.